Hello everyone! Today, we're gonna try something fun. We'll start with a heart shape and see what we can make of it. First, we use a pencil to draw the heart shape. We start by placing a pattern of dots. Space these dots evenly so we can create a perfect heart shape. Draw the heart by passing through each dot. Draw a curve in the heart. 4 lines for the legs and feet. 3 curves for the comb. Make the beak pointy. The wattle is shaped like a drop. 2 curves for some top feathers. The beak is made of a V and 2 curves. A curve makes a smiley eye. A circle and curve for the eye and pupil. Draw a U line for each wing. 2 lines for the little leg and foot. And like this we turned our heart into a chick riding piggyback on a chicken. Now we take a black marker to draw the clean lines. Start by tracing the heart and small details. You can make one shape of the comb. Draw around the sketch lines of the legs to give them thickness. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and then you can erase the pencil lines. Alright, our drawing is finished. Now you can color your drawing. You can use markers, crayons, watercolors, whatever you like. And we are all finished. Congratulations! Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.